The Bais 2018 medical mission offered a variety of outpatient services to the people we served, including general consultations with medical practitioners from various specializations, dental procedures, reading and eyeglass checkups, and minor surgeries. Major surgical procedures in areas such as ENT, gynecology, and plastics were also performed by volunteer surgeons. To give patients the full perioperative care, pre-operative, post-anesthesia, and post-operative units were also available. Outside the clinics and the hospital, educational opportunities for both patients and local medical volunteers and community outreach programs such as fluoride treatments to elementary school-aged children were also offered.
For many people on this mission, medical professionals, volunteers, and interpreters, the most important work we did was to sow hope. Our care may have given some temporary comfort to our patients, but I believe it meant more than that. For a people whom it seems the whole world has turned its back, this mission served as a reminder there are those of us who still care about their existence. For all of us involved, our presence epitomizes the true nature of what it means to give. Volunteers took time away from their family and friends to pursue this noble cause when it could have been spent doing anything else. Most traveled thousands of miles across oceans to be there. The response of the many beautiful members of FPMM shows me that the miracle is not that we do this work, but that we are happy to do it. Providing that relief, no matter how temporary it may be, can sometimes make all the difference in a person's life. That seed of hope which is planted shows them that all things are not permanent, and that kind of reassurance is priceless. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.
This was a 6-month-old with cleft lip, and so this baby came into our room, and she was beautiful. But this baby was different, yeah. So it just felt good to do something good and see the results, and to see the mother's face after we brought the baby to recovery. It changes you, yeah.
What was great is that there was somebody from the Philippines who spoke their language, so that each patient, when they went to sleep or they were afraid, could talk to them in their own language and comfort them.
In our 2018 mission to Bais, we ended up seeing just under 17,000 patients. Between our dental clinics, our fluoride treatments that went out to local communities, all of our surgical specialties, our eye clinic, and our outpatient clinic. I strongly believe that just by being there and making those connections with people, you're still able to serve them, maybe not in a medical or surgical way, but you're still able to serve them, and they give us so much back, which is what I love the most about our mission work. Our advanced team is instrumental in making sure that the mission is a success because they are the ones that get everything ready for us, because once the main group arrives, we have a day, maybe a day and a half before we hit the ground running and start seeing patients. Many of the patients that needed follow-up, we were able to put in touch with a specialist nearby, but there were 5 kids that needed a major surgery, and they did not have the means to get those surgeries, and our mission did not have the resources to provide those services. And just the other day I found out that all 5 kids will have these major surgeries done, which will end up saving their lives, and the accommodations and everything has been taken care of for them, which is just amazing that when we reach out to another foundation to see if they're able to help us provide this care to save this kid's life, they're more than willing to step up and follow through with that.
I'm already thinking about the next mission trip.
In order to make our next mission even more successful, we need your help. Our group is made up of medical and non-medical volunteers. Please consider donating to our foundation. If you cannot donate, please share this video to help spread the word of the amazing work done by all the volunteers of the Foundation of Philippines Medical Mission. Help us to continue the healing to the people of the Philippines.